But don't make me throw this away. Flex down. What is it, Sam?
Camel.
It also takes movies.
You gonna take it out? No, you're just gonna leave it in the box.
Yeah. Right, that's how you see who you're going to take the picture of. It'll show it where the little dog is. It's a real camera, Samuel, just like Mommy's, except it's for Samuel. So you can take pictures of whatever you want.
Why don't you take it out of the box and look at it, silly?
That's enough, Mommy. Thank you. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Oh. You gotta put the batteries in it, right?
Yeah.
Batteries go on the bottom. Yeah, you turn the power button on. Look at that. That's cool. Now to take a picture, you push the green button in the front. What are you doing?
This button. Taking a picture of myself.
Oh, okay. You're allowed. No, you're allowed. Take a picture whatever you want.
Up.